Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. So this is a small video on Bank Nifty analysis, how it performed today and how it is going to perform tomorrow on this expiry day, and also a small part on the option strategy, which option will benefit tomorrow based on the trading side. Okay, so this will be discussed on this video. And a small disclaimer, this video is only for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk, and consult your financial advisor before getting into any investment. So let us go into the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty today, it's kind of a big negative, I would say. Sorry, it almost dropped by 1574 points, or 7% from the previous day closing of 22,103. So this level I picked at support yesterday, 22,500. If you just go back to my previous video, and you can see this, I took it as a very good support for the Bank Nifty, but today it acted as a resistance, and from here it just dropped, and it dropped and went up to this 20,265 levels, where it bounced and then it traded over here. So just coming to the small parts of the days in detail. So it dropped and then took a bounce over here, and then the second resistance point which I mentioned yesterday, so there, instead of it taking a support, it resisted here. You can see almost for 20 minutes it traded around this point and then resisted over here. It tried to break up, but it could not break up, and then it fell down, and then after this, again here at this 21,365 level, it again took a resistance. So almost same 20-25 minutes it tried to break out, but it could not happen, and then finally it break down, and then without any kind of further support it fell down, and it took a kind of major support at this level, 2360 level, and then the second half it was trading as a kind of sideways market between this 360 and then the 700 or 800 zone. So it was trading like a sideways market, and then it finally ended up a little positive compared to the day's low, almost of 400 points above the day's low, and it ended up this at this 20,828. Okay, and coming to the option chain data is little weak. You can see this 20,000 will act as a good support for Bank Nifty tomorrow, because out of this 216 open interest, all are created yesterday, all are fresh open interest, stating that it might not go below this level. So this will act as a kind of good support for the Bank Nifty, so we can expect it will not go below this level. And at the other side, on the call option side, this 2,43,000 will act as a resistance for the Bank Nifty. So out of this 2,30,000 open interest has been created today. So all these were fresh open interest created today. So again, it might not cross this 21,000 zone. So this is clearly evident from the premium also, which we will discuss during the option strategy. Okay, so coming back to the slides, so coming to the support and resistance, so these 3 points will act as a support. So if Nifty falls down, this 20,360 where it took support today will act as a good support for tomorrow also, and further going down, this 20,086 to 20,000 range will act as a next support. If it further goes down, this 19,500 will act as a support. And on the positive side, if it goes above, and 20,750 range will act as a first resistance, passing which 21,365, and then 21,784, and finally 22,500 will act as a resistance for Bank Nifty to move up. And coming to the option data, today's closing is 20,580. This is the underlying asset value. So if you go into ATM being this 20,500 call option or put option, so the premium is 600 rupees for this put option. So which simply implies that tomorrow Bank Nifty has to close below this level to get a profitable value out of this. Otherwise this will go to zero or to the minimum, so the premium will erase. Sorry. And the same thing on the call option side, this 20,500 is trading at 630, which simply implies Nifty has to go up to 21,200. Otherwise the premium will go off tomorrow. So, and on the ITM side is very weak if you are weak compared to the ATM side, which also simply suggests that the market has to close somewhere between this 20,000 on the PE side if you want to become profitable, and on the call option side it has to close somewhere between this 21,200 range. So this is what this premiums are suggesting on the ATM and ITM side. If you go on to OTM, the premiums are little high, suggesting that it has to go below this ATM and ITM range, which is like 19,900 on the put option side and 21,300 on the call option side. So I would suggest, rather than going into the call option, considering the global dynamics and also the market sentiment, I would suggest to go with a put option ATM or a put option ITM within these two strikes. So considering tomorrow if it opens in this range, it will be good to take these two, any of these two range, like 20,500, 600 or 700 range, so that this targets are the more chances to become profitable in this range. And you might have seen myself picking levels on support, resistance, and also the working on the option side. So how you can also do by yourself to empower yourself. We are proud to launch this TLP program, which is nothing but train like a pro and trade like a pro. It's a 2-day technical workshop which covers most of the basics of stock trading, and then the technical analysis like moving averages, RSI, and Fibonacci retracement, which are like a fundamentals of technical analysis, which will give you major support in a stock selection. And you can do this kind of stock selection for your intraday or short term, medium term, or long term investment also. So this will give you a very good insight, and also you can become an independent pro trader. You don't want to dwell upon any of the tip provider or your friends to get a kind of levels. So you can just the fees is very nominal, so it might be less than the stop loss which we are normally generating in the market. So just pay your stop loss here and then make your profit there in the market. This program we planned at Chennai on 11th and 12th of April, considering no coronavirus might ease off during that period. So otherwise the dates are fixed. So for course content, early bird offers, and for further bookings, please contact my mobile number mentioned down. Okay, all the best and have a profitable expiry day. Thank you guys. Bye.